What is up, Hollywood stars? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this really dramatic half-cut crease colorful look using the Jawbreaker palette. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, then just keep watching. And as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's Slow Hollywood time. Okay, you guys, so today we're going to jump right in. I already did my brows and I also already did prime my eyelids. I basically just outlined the brows and then the concealer, I brought it a little bit down, and that's going to be our primer today. For today's palette, we're going to be using the Jawbreaker palette. And let's see what we're going to do today. For sure, I want to do something colorful, so that's why I picked out this palette. So I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to jump right into this Wow shade, which is this nice yellow shade. And I'm just taking this shade in my JS6 brush. So I'm going to go ahead and put this really high up. Now I'm just kind of building the shade up a little bit. I'm going to now take this red shade called Licorice. Same brush, and I'm going to concentrate this right into the crease. So basically just kind of feel where the socket is, and then that's where you're going to be applying the shade. Make sure you dust some of that color off of your brush, and I'm going to go into Suck now, which is this orange shade. And we're just going to grab a little bit and start to blend the yellow and the red together with this orange shade. So by dusting off, I just ensure that my brush doesn't have too much product in there. That way it can blend the colors easier. Also, don't forget about this inner corner because I always tend to forget about this little part right here. Because it's honestly hard to miss, and you won't see it until like you take a picture and you're like, okay, there's like nothing there. So I just always make sure that I don't miss this part. Okay, perfect. It's looking really good. Love it. So I kind of want to deepen it up even more. So I'm going to take this raspberry shade, which is a really deep like plum burgundy fuchsia shade. So I'm going to actually switch brushes. I'm going to take this brush right here. This is the Morphe M411 brush. It's a really nice, tiny, like blending precise brush. So I'm going to go ahead and take that raspberry shade right here. Dip in there a few times. And then really concentrate this right into the crease. And just take your time. That's going to ensure a better blend. Okay, so I did dust off my brush, and now I'm going to sort of go over this area right here, just so that everything is nice and blended. And remember, the brush is dusted off, so it has no product at this point. So I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape to cut the crease. And I'm thinking I want to do maybe like a full-on crease, possibly. But let's see what we do. To cut the crease, I'm going to be using this brush right here. This is a really tiny flat brush by Morphe, and this is the M421 brush. So I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and basically coat my brush front and back. And I kind of like to start here and then just work my way out and inward. Okay, you guys, so it was a little bit hard for me to film cutting my actual crease because I had to be super close to the mirror, but I decided to do more of like a half cut crease. So just make sure that you do take your time because it can get a little bit tricky. So I just kind of ended it right about here. Okay, so I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna very carefully kind of pat the concealer in so it doesn't look so bulky. I'm now going to take another flat brush, and I think I'm going to be using this shade called Snack right here. It's a really pretty shimmery pink shade. And we're just going to concentrate this shade right into the first half of this crease. And now we're going to start to blend this out. So I'm going to take this bubblegum shade and we're just going to be applying this right here in the middle. And now I'm going to go ahead and take some more of that raspberry shade and add it right into the outer corner. I'm now going to take an angled brush and I'm going to dig right into raspberry one more time and create sort of a liner with this. That way I can connect to this outer corner. So one last step, I am going to take this white NYX liner and I'm just going to basically outline this top section right here, right where that light pink shade ends. So we're not taking it all the way, just a little bit past halfway. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pop on some mascara, some lashes, and do the other side, and I will be right back to show you the rest of the makeup. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and add some primer. This is just the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. I really love this one. So this is just going to help smooth out your skin. Make sure it's nice and primed. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This is the 104 Golden Beige color. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape to conceal. And I'm actually going to be using my JS3 to blend this out. I love this brush for concealer. I'm going to set my skin with the Huda Beauty Pound Cake Powder. Just gonna dust off any excess powder. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Rosewood powder to bronze. I'm gonna use some Hoola just to deepen up the contour. I'm going to be using Love Cloud by MAC for blush. I'm I'm going to be using Show Gold by MAC. This is a beautiful, beautiful highlight. I'm going to be adding this Jumbo NYX pencil. This is in the shade Milk. It's just like a nice white shade. I'm going to take my M58 brush by Morphe and we're going to dig right into that snack shade one more time. This is going to go right into our inner corner. And for the bottom here, I'm going to go right into Raspberry. And I'm going to add a little bit of this orange shade Snack just to kind of make this blend a little bit better down here. And then that way it also ties into this outer corner. I'm going to pop on these lashes by MAC. These are the 48s. And I'm also going to add probably like a nude lip color. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I think it turned out so good and I love the lip combo. So let me show you guys what I used. So I used this lip liner by Morphe. This is in the shade Makeup Talk. And then I used a Viva Glam 2 lipstick from MAC. And this created this beautiful combo. I'm actually obsessed. Like, I'm definitely going to be doing this lip a lot more. And I love the way the eyes turned out. I did add a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes. I used Roller Lash by Benefit. And then I added the 48 lashes. And oh my god, it looks stunning, you guys. I'm obsessed. So that concludes this video. I really hope you enjoyed this dramatic makeup look. I haven't done a look like this in so long that I'm just like, wow. Like, wow. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe down below so you can be part of this Hollywood star family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.